Good afternoon everyone. We're here right now at Tagaytay City and currently we have our new customer here, the Bulalo capital. So they just recently bought 2 units of 60 slots vending machine. They actually put it inside their store to cater their patrons here in Tagaytay. So I'll show to you the one machine is located here on top. Then another machine is located here on the underground. Then they have their parking here for their customers. And as you can see, this is our team right now. They are currently doing some setup and helping our customers set up their vending machine. So this is the stuff that our customer will be selling to its patrons. So, here is the store of Bulalo Capital. Okay. And of course, he intends to have this vending machine cater its customers here because they're operating 24/7 every day. So what are you waiting for? Purchase your own vending machine only at Your Vending Solutions and enjoy not only extra income but also peace of mind. Tagang salamat!